Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Agptek Juego de moldes para sushi is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly kitchen gadgets for any aspiring home chef looking to elevate their sushi-making game, offering a simple yet effective way to create perfectly shaped rolls and nigiri with minimal effort, making it an indispensable tool for both beginners and experienced sushi enthusiasts alike who desire consistent, professional-looking results every time they entertain or simply crave delicious homemade sushi. Number 5. Delamu 20-in-1 Sushi Making Kit. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned sushi lover, this comprehensive kit has everything you need to create classic rolls, temaki, nigiri, and more. It's designed to help you craft various sushi styles with ease. This upgraded set includes 20 essential pieces, from bamboo mats and a bazooka roller to a chef's knife and chopsticks. You'll find all the premium accessories required for effortless and enjoyable sushi preparation. Don't worry if you're new to sushi making. Our easy-to-follow guidebook provides step-by-step instructions for rice preparation, rolling techniques, and even includes sample recipes. You'll be making perfect sushi in no time. Crafted from food-safe, BPA-free materials, this kit ensures a healthy cooking experience. The bamboo mats are eco-friendly, and all the tools are simple to clean, allowing you to make restaurant-quality sushi at home confidently. Turn sushi making into a memorable family activity. It's a fantastic way to bond, teach children new skills, and enjoy delicious homemade sushi together. Create lasting memories and tasty meals with this all-in-one kit. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your sushi making needs, from classic rolls to temaki. If you're looking for a complete package with all the tools and a helpful guide to get started, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It is very easy to use and the sushi rolls come out perfectly shaped. The molds are made of good quality plastic and are very durable. It comes with different shapes and sizes, allowing for variety in sushi making. Number 4. IMPRESA Musubi Maker Kit, Medium, White. Discover the joy of crafting authentic Hawaiian musubi with this kit. It includes 2 makers, perfect for creating fresh sushi rolls and onigiri with ease. Elevate your kitchen experience by using this press to create exquisite onigiri, kimbap, and sekire. It provides endless opportunities to explore Japanese cuisine at home. Constructed with a non-stick surface, it ensures effortless rice shaping and release. Its user-friendly design simplifies the sushi-making process for quick and delicious results. This kit is crafted from robust materials, designed for repeated use while maintaining quality. Its durability ensures it becomes a reliable kitchen staple for your culinary adventures. Maintaining its pristine condition is simple. Hand wash with warm soapy water and towel dry. The straightforward care instructions ensure long-lasting performance and reliable use. What we like? Designed for effortless rice shaping and release, this kit is ideal for quickly creating authentic Hawaiian musubi. If you love musubi or want to easily make onigiri and kimbap, its non-stick feature and dual pack make it a convenient option. What people say. These were sturdy, and easy to use, and clean. The sturdier material also made pressing the rice in the press easier and form pressure could be applied easily. Super easy to use, and clean. Used 3 times so far and seems durable. The spam slice fits perfect. Very simple to use, clean, and churn out perfect musubi with. Perfect size and you can always choose how thick you want your musubi to be. Number 3. NINGER Deluxe Sushi Making Kit. This is a complete sushi making kit that provides everything you need for a full sushi making experience. It includes multiple molds for different shapes, plus essential tools like a fork and spatula. Crafted from top food-grade PP material, each piece is safe, odorless, and harmless for your family. The smooth, non-stick surface ensures easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Designed for beginners, this tool makes creating restaurant-quality sushi simple and quick. Both children and adults can use it with ease, eliminating past sushi-making frustrations. Surprise your friends and family by creating unique sushi shapes like squares, hearts, circles, or triangles. It's perfect for your next dinner party or as a thoughtful gift for a sushi enthusiast. Enjoy a fun and educational activity with your children by making sushi together. This kit is ideal for learning, creating, and enjoying delicious homemade sushi as a family. What we like? With 8 different shapes, including a fun heart mold, this kit lets you get creative with your sushi presentations. If you enjoy surprising your guests with visually appealing, homemade sushi and want a variety of shapes to play with, this is the set for you. What people say. It's fun, cute, easy to use, easy to clean. Good doesn't stick. Is the perfect item to make sushi with no mess, and it's so easy to put everything toget. Products are made from BPA-free plastic. Number 2. MarcZero 22-in-1 Sushi Making Kit. Discover the joy of making perfect sushi at home with this comprehensive 22-in-1 kit. It includes everything you need to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Our kit is made from 100% natural, eco-friendly bamboo. This durable and lightweight material ensures your sushi making experience is both healthy and sustainable. Say goodbye to complicated sushi preparation. This easy-to-use kit allows you to create delicious sushi rolls and shapes in just a few minutes, perfect for quick meals or entertaining. Experience the difference with our professional sushi knife. Its integrated design and ergonomic handle provide a secure grip for effortless and precise cutting every time. Get creative with various included molds for nigiri, onigiri, and musubi. They make shaping rice balls a breeze, saving you time and effort while impressing your guests. From the bazooka roller to chopsticks and molds, this kit has it all. Enjoy a complete and convenient sushi making experience right out of the box. What we like. This kit combines a bazooka roller for easy cylindrical sushi with natural bamboo components and a professional-grade knife. If you're aiming for convenience in rolling and appreciate natural materials, this is a great option for making sushi efficiently. What people say. This 22-in-1 kit includes everything you need to get started, from the bazooka roller and bamboo mat to the knife, chopsticks, and molds. It's truly an all-inclusive set. The bazooka roller makes rolling sushi super simple, even for beginners. I was able to make perfect sushi rolls without any frustration. The bamboo mat and other tools feel sturdy. The knife is sharp and cuts through sushi rolls easily without tearing them. Number 1. 3-pack onigiri and sushi mold kit. Introducing our 3-in-1 sushi mold kit, designed for effortless and enjoyable sushi making. It's perfect for creating delicious rice balls at home. Unleash your creativity with the cute cat mold. Easily craft charming cat-shaped rice balls that will delight both kids and adults. Let your imagination run wild. Our classic triangle mold allows you to add nutritious ingredients like dried meat floss, sesame, or corn. Create balanced and tasty rice balls with ease. Try the versatile musubi maker to craft authentic Hawaiian luncheon musubi. Simply add your favorite toppings, like delicious ham, for a delightful twist. This kit is ideal for family DIY sushi nights, parties, baby showers, picnics, or packing fun lunches. Enjoy making special treats for any event. With 3 distinct molds included, this set offers endless possibilities for creating unique and appetizing rice balls. Get ready for a culinary adventure. What we like. This set includes 3 fun molds, notably a cute cat shape, making sushi preparation exciting for younger ones. If you're looking for a way to make mealtime fun for kids or pack creative bento boxes, these playful molds are a fantastic choice. What people say. The rice molds are easy to use and make perfect rice balls. The set includes a variety of shapes and sizes, allowing for creative sushi presentation. The molds are made of durable plastic and are easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.